Good evening and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I have the most exciting vacation wear try on haul for you. I have a Commense try on haul and all of these pieces are incredible, perfect for vacation. I do also have a discount code which I'll pop on screen now. That is EmilyWilsonFashion_10 and that will get you money off your order. I'll link everything I can in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out before you leave. And a huge thank you to Commense for sponsoring this video and giving you guys that discount code. But without further ado, let's start today's video. Okay, starting with outfit number one. This is the cotton and linen wavy trim top with short set. I got this in a size extra small and this for me is the perfect vacation outfit. It's a gorgeous material, really good quality, and it is lightweight and breathable as well, so it's going to keep you cool on them hot summer's days. This one will look a lot better when I've got it on because the shorts are underneath. It's a matching cord, so it's super effortless. You just throw it on and it's going to look very put together. But let's show this one on and see how it fits. Okay, so here is the first outfit on, and this one looks so good. I'm really pleased that I sized down in this one. It fits really well. Obviously the top has got an oversized floaty look and the shorts are actually elasticated around the waist, so they're very comfortable and flexible with sizing. The shorts also have pockets in, which I absolutely love, especially for like an everyday outfit. But this one's great because you can actually dress it up or dress it down. You can even mix and match both pieces, but I do think it looks best together. This top brings so much shape to the outfit and I definitely think it looks more high-end than the price tag suggests. That then leads us to my next outfit. This is the striped ruffle Cami Maxi dress, and I got this one in a size extra small. Again, you'll see it much better when I've got it on. It is a maxi dress, so I can't quite fit it in frame, but I am obsessed with this. The colours, the material is so lightweight, and the ruffle details just add so much to this outfit. I really like that it's these pinky coloured stripes too. It's a very eye-catching dress and will look perfect for like a vacation evening, going for dinner, even just as like a floaty dress when you're away. I just think there's so many things you can wear this one to. But let's try her on and see what we think. Okay, so here it is on, and this dress is even nicer than what I was expecting. It feels so lightweight on the body, like I can't even explain to you. It barely feels like it's there. It's super soft and I love how floaty it is. It feels very feminine, and it fits really well. I would just recommend your normal size in this one. The length is also perfect and I'm 5'7" for reference. I love how they've got that little ruffle detail at the bottom of the dress to match the one at the top. And another thing, the straps are also adjustable, so you can really fit this one to your body and I absolutely love it. Which then leads us to this cross-neck tropical watercolor print maxi dress. I got this one in a size small and I'm so excited to try this one on. Again, it does hang slightly different on the hanger. The front is meant to be a cross neck, which you will see when I have it on. But how gorgeous is this print? You'll see the full length of it again when I'm wearing it. But it looks like a tropical water painting and I am completely obsessed. It's so eye-catching, the dress is super floaty, and it does have these little scarf details at the back which hang straight down. No, this dress isn't real. Like, how stunning is this? It is literally my dream vacation dress. And it has pockets, which I am even more in love with. So this is obviously the cross neck design. I think it's so beautiful. I have gone with my normal size, got a size small, and it fits really nicely. It's obviously an oversized dress, but it's still very flattering to the figure. I could have definitely sized down in this, but I don't think it would have made too much difference. I absolutely love this print, and wait until you see the back details. So this is what I was talking about, like the little material that hangs down the back. It's all just like a super floaty dress, and I just think it's so beautiful. Like, you're going to get so many compliments in this. Which then leads us to my next dress. This is the watercolor print pleated halter maxi dress. And again, I went with my normal size and got a size small. I'm obsessed with this. It's the perfect like destination wedding guest dress. It's stripped off, it looks beautiful, and the color is amazing. It's so eye-catching. I really like the little bow at the front as well. It's got that deep plunge neckline, which I think is going to be so beautiful, and a belly there back with the tie neckline, so the ribbon like falls down the back, and I just think that's so effective. All of Commence pieces are super unique, and I love that. So yeah, let's try this one on and see how she fits. Okay, here is the next outfit on, and this is another gorgeous dress. It's definitely one that's a bit more dressy though, so definitely like wedding guest vibes, or even a date night on vacation. I'm loving the colour. I'm such a pink girl at the minute. I don't know why. Just this season I seem to be absolutely loving it. I really like the neckline. I think it's very flattering, and the way that it sort of cinches you in at the waist and then floats out, I think is so beautiful. Not to mention that backless design. I am completely obsessed with all these outfits. Just a reminder as well, you can use code EmilyWilsonFashion_10 for money off your Commence order, but let's see what else we've got. Which then leads us to this gorgeous backless pleated floral dress. I got this in a size extra small, so I have sized down in this one again. But these are the sort of dresses I love in the summer. They're super effortless. You just throw them on and you look like you've made such an effort. Like, they look so beautiful just on their own. You don't even need to style them. So they're great for like even running errands and things when you just want to feel a little bit more like dressy. So really, really loving these style of dresses. I will talk about sizing and things when I have it on, but I'm really loving the pattern. And also another backless number. Can you tell I'm a backless girl? I just think they're so flattering. I really like that they are adjustable cami straps too, so you can fit this one to your body. Okay, so here is the dress on, and it is so beautiful. Not to mention, fits like a dream. So I've just adjusted the straps slightly, and honestly, it is fitting so nicely. I'm really liking that little elastication around the back too. It just feels so comfortable to wear. Not to mention also how lightweight and airy it is, so it is keeping me cool. It's not see-through at all because it is double lined, and it feels of really good quality. So I really love this one, would definitely recommend it. I would give this one an 11 out of 10. So we're going a little bit different now because I picked out the belted linen blend wide leg pants. I got these ones in a size small, but I think these are such a staple, whether it's for vacation or just summer, and I love them. These ones feel of really good quality. They're that linen blend material, so they are very breathable, and they've actually got a really nice stretch to them too, so they're going to be very comfortable on. But these ones are timeless. You can pair them with literally anything. They're a very versatile item. But to pair with it today, I'm going to be wearing this bra-free backless square neck bodysuit. Again, I went with a size small in this one, and it's another staple piece for the wardrobe. You can't go wrong with items like this. You compare them with literally anything, and what I love about this is because it is that backless design, you don't always want to wear a bra with this, so it has got like a built-in bra, so yeah, you don't need to wear one, and I absolutely love that. But let's try these on together and see what they look like. Okay, so here is the next outfit on, and this is the sort of outfit I want to wear all the time. Like, it looks great, you look very stylish and put together, and look like you really know what you're doing when it comes to sort of styling pieces and putting an outfit on. But it's also very comfortable. Like, I would happily wear this all day long. It's super breathable as well, and it's timeless, so you're never going to get bored of it. But look at that back detail too. I'm really loving this outfit together, but like I say, both pieces are very versatile, so you can mix and match them, and you can even dress them up or down. There's so many different things you can do with this whole look. And that then leads us to the final item in today's video. But just before I show you, I wanted to remind you, if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to do and you can unsubscribe at any point, but it really helps me and my channel grow, and it allows me to keep getting these videos out for you and collaborating with amazing brands like Commense. Don't forget, they have also given you a discount code, which I'll pop on screen again now. That is EmilyWilsonFashion_10, and that will get you money off your order. But here is the final outfit. This is leisure stripe knit crop top. I got this in a size small, and now this is a classic. You can't get bored of an item like this. It's a really nice knit material. I'm loving the detail in this one, and it's got a gorgeous stretch to it too. So I think this one's going to be very flattering to the figure. It's going to mold to your body, and this is another very versatile staple item for the wardrobe. To be honest, you can even wear this throughout winter, like layered and styled up. But let's try it on and see how it looks with the trousers we're wearing. Okay, so here is the next outfit on, and I actually really like this one. I actually think I prefer this one to the black bodysuit. I just think it's a bit cooler vibes. Also, it's really breathable because it's like that crochet knit material. It's very airy and it's definitely going to keep you cool, which I really like. I also love the colours in this. They go really nicely with the linen trousers. But yeah, really loving this whole look. I would just recommend your normal size in this top, and with this you can't go wrong. It's great quality, it's a great price, and it fits amazingly. So that does conclude my Commense try on haul for today. I really hope you've enjoyed that video. I will link all the items in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out before you leave. And a huge thank you to Commense for sponsoring this video and giving you guys that discount code. But thank you so much, and I'll see you next video.